this project, I'm going to show a different selection tool. But the first thing I need to do is level this. So I'm going to come over to Adjustments and go to Levels and go through red, green, blue and just brighten this up a bit. Okay, there we go. So nice and bright. Look, up here, this one is a new one. This is the Selection Brush tool. And what's very cool is that it's a brush. And so I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go and just get the red beads. So I start here and I'm just going to, all I'm doing is brushing over these beads. And you notice I can click and then I can jump to anywhere. Unlike some of the other selection tools, this will let me go in multiple places. Now I have all of these done. And if I just click up here, now this is the trick to it. It does not give you the little running lines, right? When you paint with this, it does not automatically give you the little black and white lines. You have to click somewhere else. So I'm going to click up here to my pointer, and now look, there's all of those selections. You see the little black and white line. And now, with that selected, I'm going to go up and go Select, Inverse. And so now everything but the beads are selected. I'm going to go to Adjustments, Black and White, and we turn everything, and I'm just going to push all of the stuff just a little bit darker because I want those beads to stand out. And then I'm going to add one more layer of brightness contrast. I'm going to push my contrast some, and let's look and see, where do I want that brightness contrast? I think that looks good right there. You know what? I like this, but I feel like maybe it goes too far. I've got some things. Let's crop this before I do anything else. So I'm going to come down, I'm going to pull this in, and yeah, I'm going to lose some of that, but I'm going to put this part right here at this intersection. So a big part of this running right along this line, and this main section right by our intersection, right by the line. All right, and again, I can double click inside or click the check mark, that's done. And now File, Export as JPEG, export, and I'm going to name this, and I want it to go to the desktop, save, and I've got my image on my desktop.